Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And today I am standing in front of a brand new 2027 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This is a massive boat, as y'all can see. It's nestled here on the tandem axle McLean trailer. We're going to go inside and take a couple look at a few things that I really like about this boat. But on the exterior here, we ordered it with the blackout, so it does have a lot of these awesome modern black touches throughout the boat that really makes it look sweet. So come on in, guys, let's take a look. All right, everyone, we are back in the 2027 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. The bow is one of my favorite spots on this boat. It is super comfortable. It's really deep and safe, so you can ride up here, feel confident. You're not going to bounce around a lot, and you got protection by the high gunnels on the boat. Walking through the boat, if you're a big fisherman like myself, having this pad here along the coaming here, this really helps out and makes it super comfortable when you're reeling in big fish. If you want to stop and take a break, pop out the little coaming pad chair here. Making our way back, I mentioned earlier about the black accents of the boat. This is something, in my opinion, that makes it look really modern. It cleans up the look, and it's just something different than the old aluminum looking towers. You may be out there on the water for quite some time. Boston Whaler 250 here has a humongous head. It is a vacuum flush. It's very comfortable in there. Actually, one of my favorite things on this boat is the size of it. A lot of the little details go inside a Boston Whaler. One of my favorites is their steering wheel. Super nice, solid, polished stainless steel. We ordered this boat with dual Simrads. GPS, fish finder, mapping, engine diagnostic, everything that is on there will be on that screen. JL audio throughout the boat. Big, comfortable seats. So when you are out there on the water, these are super thick, super comfortable. Coming back to the boat here. Awesome little bait well here. Little prep area even. You still got some room here to prep your bait. Even make a sandwich if you want. Last but not least, this boat is rigged with twin Mercury 225s. This will get this boat down and dirty. So for more information on this boat or any other Boston Whaler, my name's Jason. Give me a call. Thank you.